Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Olympia Coffex with us in the shop. And I came in for a few issues, but mainly that the machine needed a tune-up, overall tune-up, both on the group head and also the steam boiler and the heat exchanger. And then secondly, on top of that, the pump, just because they had stored the machine outside for from what I could tell, a really long time, the pump seized. And since it was an older type of pump, we had to convert it to a newer style Oka pump. And so we did that also, which required a little bit of wiring and stuff like that. And I also did service the steam one because the steam one gasket was really leaking. So now we're going to quickly test the machine here by putting it in here and then running the coffee. There you go. So now we're going to let it brew. Again, we have that new pump inside the back, and it's pulling from the water tank here. Put a little bit too much coffee in there, but that's okay. We're just making sure that the coffee comes out. And then just to show you, I'm going to take the shot out right now. Pull this out. And we're going to run the coffee. As you can see, the amount of water that comes out through the front. And then lastly, the steam boiler side, which is the steam on here. I did have to unclog the steam wand a little bit, or quite a lot actually. And so yeah, now you have really nice dry steam. That's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.